Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am good and hope you all are doing well. In our previous videos, we discussed how to use index match formula, and why index match is more powerful than Vlookup. I hope you guys are practicing. If you haven't used index match formula before, check out part 1 and part 2 of this series. This shall help you out. I am providing the links in the description box below. All right. Today we'll discuss how to make index match formula dynamic. So let's dive into the video. Okay. Now we are trying to find out here like how much sales each of the salesperson mentioned here has achieved in these given quarters. All right. So here we have sales achieved by these salespersons in these given quarters, basically throughout the year, but the bifurcation is given quarterly. All right. So first I'll show you how you will do it if not knowing how to let formula work for you. Okay. So let's go. Equals to index. I'm selecting this whole table here in the array. All right. And then freezing this with function F4 or simply F4. Then match. We want to find Steve, and I am freezing this as well because I don't want to move the formula from column to column. I want it to be there, fixed on that same column. We'll talk about how to freeze the particular cell based on your requirement. We'll create a separate video for that. Okay. So for now, I have frozen this cell, then comma. The salesperson names are obviously in this column. Hence, I'm selecting this entire column and function F4. And I want the exact match, hence 0. Bracket close. Okay. Now, where is the Q1 in this table? Okay, which column number it is? Q1 is in column second. That is why I'm putting. If you see, it is asking for column number. All right. So the column number is 1, 2. Hence 2. Now, bracket close. With this, our index formula is complete. And enter. All right. It gave us 5413. All right. 5413. Yeah, it fetched us the correct value here, achieved by Steve in quarter one. So now let's just copy this formula for all the salespeople for quarter one. Okay. All right. For Swati, it is 5540. Swati is here, 5540. And Geeta, it is 5887. Absolutely correct. Now let me just copy and paste this formula all over. You see, it has generated the same sales in every quarter, which is not the case. You know why it is happening? Yes, absolutely. Because here the column number is 2, whereas it should be 3, right? So now let's just change the column number. All right. It would be 4 here and 5. Okay. And let's just now copy this formula and paste it over. All right. Now does it look good? Let's just check for one. Steve, 67286634 and 14442. It's awesome. Now just tell me one thing. Here we had to put this column number manually, right? We had to change the column number. What if I tell you that you don't need to change the column number? The formula will itself page the column number, updated column number for you as it picks up the cells based on the different cells people. Correct? So as we know that the match helps us in fetching the position of the value. Correct? So like it helps us in fetching in which row number Steve's record are sitting. All right. And likewise. So same way, it can help us fetch in which column this Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 is sitting, in which column number. All right. So you understood it correct? We are going to fetch the column number using the match function. All right. So now let me show you. how to make the index match formula dynamic. All right. So equals index. I am selecting this whole table here except for the header and freezing it, of course. Then comma match. This is our first match function. I want to find Steve's cell, hence Steve and salespersons are in this column, hence this column. Again, close the column and I want the exact match in 0, bracket close, comma. If you see the syntax, it is asking for the column number now. Now we'll use the match function again for the column number. All right, match. Now what we want to look up? We want to look up to quarter one, right? I'm freezing this again, comma, and now I'm selecting this header, only header, because we want to identify which column number it is. And for that, we need not select the entire table. All right, I'm freezing this range, comma, I want the exact match in 0. With this bracket close, match is complete. With this bracket close, index is complete. All right, enter. You see, we have 5413. All right, 5413, 5413. I'm copying this formula for the quarter one for all the salespeople. Wonderful. We have got the correct result. Now let me copy this formula all over the table. And voila, we have absolute correct result without inputting the column number every time we changed we wanted to see the results in different quarters. All right. So if you see, if you have a limited set of data, then we can give it a chance for the manual stuff. But I would say that in practical scenarios, you don't get little bit of data. It will be like thousands and even lakhs of rows you'll be dealing with. So it is better to switch towards this dynamic formula. It helps your it helps you to boost your productivity and get the work done faster and with the accuracy. And you don't have to worry about changing the column numbers, the row numbers, right? This is all for this video. Hope this video helps you. Please like, share, and subscribe. In the next part, we'll discuss how to use index match with multiple criteria. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, and more importantly, keep practicing. All right, bye bye.